Cheng. Welcome to our farm. Just for sleeping. Nakakamiss naman. Matagal din hindi kami nakapasyal dito. Ayan, dami nilang tanim, oh. Ayan. This is the improvement of our farm now. Ayan, our coconut. Malaki na. Ah, it's so nice. Love, oh. Our coconut so big already. Nad. Wow, it's so fun. Wow, papaya. Alang dami. Nakayayat. Jasper. Cheng, you see our farm? Ang lamig ngayon dito sa Amadeo. Di ba nagmati dito eh? Naglumiismat lang. Dako lang. Nagbig mo na ba? Nagpakita ko. Ang late-late lang nito dati. Oh. Nagmayat. Kasaba, oh. Banana. Let's go around. Our kasaba. Ito yung star apple. See? Even your star apple big already. Star apple. Yan. Ang daming tinanim na ano, oh. Mga tawag na ito, kasaba hanggang doon. Yan. Let's go over there. Wow. See? Very good. The next time, you can plant a lot of this one, right? A lot of kasaba then let the chicken, duck, they can eat this all this leaf. No dog. There's no dog. Ah. So many papaya also. Yeah, of course, one day. Yeah. Yeah. What is this? Ay, hanggang doon. Ito yung tanim namin. Malaki na din. Ay, there's so many chili here. See? Chili. Oh, you spoil already our kubo. And wala na. This one is... what is this, Mangustin. Right, remember? Ayan, ito yung mangustin namin. Tapos, orange. Ito, malaki na rin yung orange. Mango. They plant papaya also here. Yan. What is this? I don't know what is this. But this is or coconut, oh. Big na also. 1, 2. Wow. Maybe another 1 more year for come out already. This one is kaong. Yan. Tapos ito, jackfruit. Yeah, so big already, oh. Our jackfruit. Wow. Pinjal, yeah. Then we have so many papayas. Ang daming pinjal, oh. There. Wow. Wait, we can... Nah?
I like this one, see?
What? Papaya also
Wow, they're
big.
so big, sorry.
The? Where? Wow.
This is so
It's
nice.
so fun.
This one is just so nice.
Wow. Oh, so big. Oh my god.
Wow,
See?
this big is good.
Yeah.
The tank is red.
Oh. Oh my god, I like it. This one. No,
Oh, so
so
nice.
cute. So big. Yeah, very good. This is the sweet tamarind. Yan, makina. Daming ano oh. Ito avocado. Meron din ano dito. Rambutan. Ito. Rambutan. Mango. Malaki na pero walang ano. Ayan. Oh, duck! Duck! Ned! Duck! Cook, 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 cook. Avocado. Ano yan? Nag-iisang duck? Nag-iisa lang yan? Ah. Asan sila mama at papa mo?
Sa baba.
Ah, kayo lang? Yung mga bahay kubo kailangan lagyan ng ano to, ng metal ano, hanap natin na yung ano dito oh, kayubano. Love oh, also have here papaya. See, so nice to plant. Ito yung ano namin. Ano ba yan? Oh. Ito yung storage. Ito yung ano, wala. Kailangan talagang lagyan. Cook, 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 cook. Damn, cute. Ito yung bahay ng caretaker namin. Dito naman. Ano to? Yeah. This one is what is that? Long beans, string beans. Yeah. But no other I still have, but there. Oh,
Your neighbor.
I see your string beans. Oh,
Neighbor came up.
there. You see the string beans? So many. There. Oh, but so skinny. See, all the vegetables now come out. And then there, pineapple. And yeah, it's so nice. Let's say next time you build a house there. Yeah. Yeah, I want. It's so nice to. I prefer to sleep here on the Tagaytay. Yucheng! Yucheng! Oh, hi. Welcome to Yucheng farm.
Just welcome.
This one, say hi to my vlog. Say hi.
Come on, just take carry you. Come. Ay, take carry you. Panchit ya.
Ito niyo, toilet.
It's so heavy ya. Careful the dog, huh?
Yan naman si Kuya Federico. Ah. Na? Pwede ah, mga alat na naman dyan. Ito pa, ganda.